Have you ever spent hours making the perfect video, only to find out that people in other countries can't watch it because it's in just one language? What if I told you there's a tool that can help your video speak almost any language? This means you can reach millions more viewers. Today, I'm going to show you how to do it using just one tool.
Edimakor is an all-in-one video creation platform that offers powerful AI tools for content creators. With features like a screen recorder, noise reduction, and AI video generation, it simplifies the video making process.
Edimakor शक्तिशाली AI उपकरण प्रदान करता है, एक स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डर, शोर कमी और AI वीडियो निर्माण के साथ. वीडियो निर्माण सरल.
에디메이커는 콘텐츠 크리에이터를 위한 강력한 AI 도구를 제공하는 올인원 비디오 제작 플랫폼입니다.
Today, we're going to talk about something that can change how you make videos using a cool AI tool called Edimakor to create unique avatars and translate your videos into different languages with perfect lip sync. If you're a YouTuber wanting to connect with viewers in other countries or a business looking to grow into new markets, this tool can help you run multiple channels in different languages. To start creating unique AI avatars for your multi-language YouTube channels, let's first download Edimakor. It's simple to get started. Just click the link provided in the video description, or you can search for Edimakor on Google and look for the official website link. Once you're on the website, go ahead and log in using your Google account. After you've logged in, click on Get Started for Free to start the download for the Windows version. If you're using a Mac, just look for the Mac version icon and select it before hitting download. Now, if you're interested in extra features, HitPaw also offers some affordable paid plans, starting at around $20, which might be worth exploring if you plan on using advanced tools. After the download finishes, open the file to install Edimakor on your device. Once it's installed, launch the software to get ready for the next steps. Once you're in, head to the toolbox. Here, you'll find a huge range of AI tools, all designed to help content creators like you make high-quality videos for YouTube. These tools include a screen recorder, AI video generator, AI copywriting, text-to-speech, AI avatars, and so much more. It's really an all-in-one platform. Pretty cool, right? In this video, we're focusing on the video translation, subtitles, and the crucial lip-syncing features that Edimakor offers. First, click on the text-to-speech option to get started. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a text box where you can type in exactly what you want your AI avatar to say. To the right, there's a list of voice options available in multiple languages. Let's listen to a few of these voices together.
Edimakor is a popular video editing software with powerful AI features.
Edimakor is a popular video editing software with powerful AI features.
Pretty cool, right? For this video, I'm going to go with Tony's voice because it has the right energy for what we're going for. Once I select Tony, I'll click Generate. After it's ready, I can easily add the voiceover to the timeline with a single click. Now we're in the main video editing dashboard. Here, you can edit your video like in other software, but Edimakor includes tons of extra features and powerful tools that make it even easier to create polished, high-quality content quickly. So if you're ready to get started, check out the link in the description to download Edimakor. Plus, don't forget to grab your discount code to get the most out of this amazing tool. Once you're ready to export the audio, you have two options to do that. You can either right-click on the clip and select Export, or simply click the export icon at the top right corner of the screen. Alright, now let's move on to creating the AI avatar. Start by going to the AI avatar tool in the top left corner. This feature lets us combine our avatar with perfect lip syncing for any voiceover. What's really amazing is that you can use this tool to lip sync either an image or a video clip, so you've got tons of flexibility. Now in here, you can add the voice in 3 ways. Type in text, upload a pre-recorded voiceover, or even record your voice directly in the software. Since we already have a voiceover ready to go, we'll choose the local audio option to import it. Now, let's select our avatar. You can either pick from the available templates, which come in different styles, or upload a custom avatar. For this example, I'll upload my own avatar by clicking the plus icon. Once you have both the avatar and the voiceover selected, click Generate to start the lip syncing process. This part might take a few seconds. When it's done, go to the Result tab to view the video, and here it is.
Edimakor is an all-in-one video creation platform that offers powerful AI tools for content creators.
The lip sync looks smooth and realistic. The next step is adding subtitles to the video. AI subtitle tool is another powerful feature in Edimakor, which generates subtitles automatically. Just click on the Subtitle tool in the top left corner. Now, you also have the option to translate the subtitles into another language. For now, let's keep it in the original language. Choose your subtitle style and click Auto Subtitling. You'll see that Edimakor adds subtitles to the video automatically. If you want to make them stand out more, you can go back and adjust the subtitle style, add animations, or even change the text by tweaking the settings in the top left corner. This flexibility lets you customize the subtitles to match your video's style perfectly. Once your subtitles are ready, you can easily translate them into almost any language you need. Here's how to do it. First, select all your subtitles. Next, click on the Translate option that appears next to your original subtitles. This will open a pop-up window where you can choose the language you want to translate into, as well as a voice for that language. To pick the speaker, just check the box next to the voice you like from the wide range of options available. After you've made your selections, click Start Translate. Edimakor will then handle the translation process, creating both the translated subtitles and the matching voiceover automatically. When you play the voiceover, you might notice the speaker is talking fast to keep up with the lip sync. To slow it down, just select the voiceover track and adjust the speed using the Speed tab on the right side. Now, let's make sure the lip sync matches perfectly with the new language voiceover. First, export the voiceover again, following the same steps we went through earlier. Once your new audio is ready, go back to the AI Avatar tab, upload the voiceover, and select the matching avatar for your new language. Then click Generate, and there you have it, the translated version of your video.
हिटपॉ एडीमेकर शक्तिशाली AI उपकरण प्रदान करता है.
Looks pretty cool, right? To add translated subtitles, click on the Subtitle tab, select the translated language, choose your preferred style, and click Auto Subtitling. You can pick any language you like here. Once everything's ready, export the video. And that's it. You've successfully created avatars for both your English and Hindi audience channels. Feel free to follow these steps to make even more avatars in different languages, targeting your audience. HitPaw Edimakor, it's a complete video editing tool that helps creators make fun and relatable content for people all over the world. With powerful tools like the AI Video Generator, AI Script Generator, AI Subtitle Creator, AI Video Translator, AI Lip Sync, AI Text-to-Speech, AI Avatars, and much more, Edimakor makes it easy to reach viewers in different languages. It's the perfect all-in-one tool to bring your ideas to life and connect with audiences everywhere in a way that feels real and personal. If you're excited to give Edimakor a try, be sure to check the link in the description for a free download and a 30% discount code. Don't miss out on this opportunity. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tools. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.